Now we're down here at the history display. Got a really cool board up here with all the grills through the years. Pretty cool. Fire truck wagon. Beautiful scrambler. Really nice Renegade. Cherokee Chief. Pretty cool orange color. Got a J truck. Looking good in black. CJ2A Willys. Light on body, but shows you how it all works. CJ5. CJ5 actually has the trencher attachment, which is pretty cool. Yeah, don't see the extended cabs. These are cool. Prototype. But neat if that would have went into production. USMC on this one. Another fire wagon. Pretty cool looking. Don't see ladders on Jeeps often. Got some military grade. Going to guess a Bantam trailer. Really nice Renegade. Levi's. Ooh. Got side pipes on a 383 stroker. Pretty cool. We come outside to the car show they got in front of here. Or Jeep show. Moon equipped. That's pretty cool. Stickers. Really cool blue. This one appears to be stainless steel. It's bright to stand beside. Camouflage, long chassis. Then we got the actual Bantam cars people forget about. Pretty cool little wagons. Got us an ambulance. Truck variation. Got another guy I know. Nice wheelies. Still got the wooden blocks on for the windshield. That's cool. Got some red wheelies. 53. That says Fugly on it, but I think it's pretty cool. Nice truck. Another really nice looking truck. Especially with the flatbed, that's pretty sweet. Well, that's the history building back here behind us. That's where some of these are hiding at. Definitely recommend coming down here and checking that stuff out. And until the next one, enjoy. Come see the show. It's awesome.